Hey guys, this is Miriam at High Life Auto. I am out doing a video test drive on a 2000, I think it's 2010, it might be a 2011 Ford Escape. If you've never been on my video test drives before, the way it works is I drive the vehicle on video and I tell you what I see, hear, think, smell, and feel to give you the best indication to be in the driver's seat without actually being in the driver's seat. I'm not a mechanic and this is not meant to be a 182-point inspection. Rather, it's meant to be a sneak peek into how the vehicle drives and any potential issues I notice as we're going along. So we'll take a look around the vehicle, we'll take a look under the hood, and then we'll go for a drive. Let me check my key tag here. 2011 Ford Escape is what we've got. And we just got this one from our dealer friend in the Harp, which is usually pretty good vehicles, but we'll take a look at this and we'll see what we've got. All right, pretty decent looking on this side as far as rust goes, dents, dings. I really don't see a lot of those, which is good. Tires are the kind of more aggressive tread. They're probably at least 50%, but I'm thinking more along the lines of like 65% would be my guess on that. On the front, they are probably right at 30%. So the rear is, they put new tires on the rear, not on the front. The inside needs vacuumed, but it's cloth interior, and the interior itself looks pretty decent. No big rips, tears, stains, holes, anything like that. But it does need vacuumed. Probably had kids in it. This is what my kids do to a vehicle. There's the back end. You've got a little bit of rust starting on the bottom of the tailgate, but it's not too bad. And back here, you've got some storage space for whatever you want to haul. Dead bodies, animals, groceries, whatever. On this side, you've got a tiny little bit of rust starting on the wheel well. But other than that, it looks pretty decent. I thought I remembered a handle being missing. Maybe that was my other Escape. Nope, all my door handles are there. Okay. From the front, pretty good. Again, we've got a little bit of, fender bender type stuff there, just where it's cracked and the paint's kind of peeling. I'll pop this hood. And it's a heavy hood. There's the motor, doing what it's supposed to be doing. Apparently this is just a 4-cylinder. I don't see the engine size anywhere, but unless there's another 4 hidden elsewhere, this might just be a little 4-cylinder Escape. I've seen 4-cylinders and 6-cylinders. I don't think they have a V8 Escape. That would be pretty weird. But anyways, okay, here we go. Inside the car, we got 176,000 miles, no check engine lights. The oil change is not due till 181,704, so it was just done, probably right before they traded it in. We've got radio. Where's my radio? Trying to figure out how to turn it. Power. Nope, that's my. Oh, power. Down. Okay.
To keep you up to date.
Radio works. The AC does not blow cold. That is the one issue I've found with this one so far. And then when I was going through on the computer, make sure there's no hidden check engine lights. There's a code that's probably associated with it. AC refrigerant pressure sensor A circuit low. So I'm going to look that up, but I don't know if that just means low freon. If that just means low freon, I'm going to try and throw some of that in and see what happens. So check my description to see if that gets updated. But so that's the associated code with that, even though it doesn't pull a check engine light. It's just in regards to the AC system. But yeah, it doesn't blow cold. It's kind of fan air. Not great, but it's there. So the windows are down and it is what it is. Driver's side window, it works. Passenger side window, it works. Rear passenger side window works. And rear driver's side window works. Other than that, I think that's it. It's kind of a base vehicle, so it does not a whole lot of buttons and knobs and stuff that we can try. But we will go take it for a drive and see what we've got. Oh, I do know that the exhaust is a little bit louder. Obviously, it's more quiet now. I've had this running probably for a good 20 minutes because I took it down to Casey's. I had to jump start somebody. So it's been It's been running for quite a while. And so the exhaust is a little bit quieter, you know, than it was when I first started, but just keep that in mind. I don't know if it's just something that could use welded under there. So, you know, sometimes cars get old and they get exhaust leaks, and as long as you don't live in Missouri, it's not really a huge issue. So as long as you don't live in a spot with those emissions, I guess. I know there's some other states that do it, you know, Texas, Virginia, other places that you're probably not going to, but just be aware of that when you come, that if you're a Missouri buyer or an emissions buyer, the exhaust is a little bit louder. But it's driving very well. I don't hear any suspension noise. It's riding smooth. I know it's a little bit louder in here because of the windows. I'll roll those up a little bit. Alright, we'll do our turn signals. Left turn signal works. Right turn signal works. Let's see, where's my windshield wipers? Let's see. Gotta find my windshield wiper. Okay, there's my rear windshield wiper. That one works. Okay. Okay. That's my windshield wiper. Windshield wipers work. Windshield wiper fluid works. Alright, brakes are good and solid. No grinding or vibration. Just trying to get that FedEx truck to go ahead so we could, so I could stop and check the horn, but that's alright, we'll just go ahead and check it now. Horn works. We're gonna do our cruise, and let's see. We're at 40, we should be able to set cruise, and cruise activated. Alright, so we've got cruise, we've got horn, we've got wipers and wiper fluid and radio and brakes and suspension and all of that. Okay, so car runs and drives very well. Looks like the two things that you've got to look at are air conditioning and exhaust. If those things don't bother you, it'll be here. Well, I can't guarantee that it will be here when you come, because I don't know when you watch this video, but it's here right now. Come and get it. Otherwise, I'm going to throw in some Freon and just see if that's my problem, see if that's a pressure sensor problem. And if you have any questions, just give me a call. Send me a text message, whatever. My cell phone is 309-267-7200. Thanks, guys.